y'all, it's your girl Toya Monique here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And any of my returning subscribers, thanks you guys for watching again. Today we have the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. Y'all, this hair dryer is everything. When I tell you this dryer gives, baby, it gives. It gives the hair shine. It gives the hair bounce. It just gives, honey. Let's get into the details of this dryer. It has 3 different heating settings. It has 3 different flowing settings for, you know, the airflow settings. It has a cool shot. It's so lightweight, y'all. It cut down my blow drying time by half of the time. I kid you not. I was not blow drying that long. It also took a lot of the flat ironing away from me, meaning that the hair was so smooth. I love this dryer. Less work for me makes me a happy stylist, okay? And it also comes with 3 different nozzles. It comes with a smoothing nozzle as well as the hair concentrator as well as the diffuser. Now the hair concentrator, y'all, I'm gonna do another video and show y'all some tricks with that because baby, you can create waves without using the flat iron. Now I need to see this, but it's possible with the Dyson, so we gonna do it. Don't forget to come down to the ULTA on How Mill here in Atlanta to come check your girl out. Ask for Toya Monique. Come book your next appointment so you can experience the wonderfulness of this Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.